The special court in Juba has extended its mandate to continue trying Dr. Riek Machar and 7 others on serious charges, including treason, terrorism, and crimes against humanity. In other news, a brief confrontation has been reported in Mayom County, Unity State, between government forces and soldiers from the SPLA-IO, returning from the Abyei front lines. A special court in Juba has extended its mandate to continue the trial of Dr. Riek Machar and 7 others, who are facing serious charges such as treason, terrorism, and crimes against humanity. The court's first 1-month term ended on October 8th, leading Machar's defense team to argue that the court had no legal authority to continue. His lawyer, Dr. Jerry Raymondo Leg, said the court was operating unlawfully after its mandate expired. However, during Wednesday's session, presiding Judge James Alala Deng rejected that argument and officially extended the court's mandate until the trial finishes. The trial began on September 22nd and is linked to an attack in Nasir County last March that killed General Majur Dak and several soldiers. The government says the attack was carried out by fighters loyal to Machar's SPLM-IO movement and a local militia known as the White Army. In court, the focus was on whether certain pieces of evidence, like mobile phones and a laptop, could be used. Defense lawyers said they were taken without a proper warrant, violating South Sudan's constitution. The prosecution disagreed, saying the items were seized legally and are vital to the case. Judge Deng decided to accept 13 out of 16 exhibits, including the phones, laptop, and 3 guns allegedly linked to the accused. He also mentioned that one of the detainees had recently undergone appendix surgery and thanked the medical staff for their care. The judge ordered that the trial will continue 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, until all evidence is presented. The next hearing will take place on Friday, October 17th. Clashes in Mayom County. A brief clash broke out in Mayom County, Unity State, on Wednesday between government forces and SPLA-IO soldiers returning from the Abyei front lines. According to SPLA-IO spokesperson Kerbino Yaipazel, government troops opened fire on their men resting in Kaikong village, though no one was hurt. The Unity State Information Minister denied any serious fighting, describing it as a simple misunderstanding. Eyewitnesses confirmed that once security forces realized the group's identity, calm was quickly restored, and the SPLA-IO unit continued peacefully to Kaljak Training Center. As South Sudan's political and military tensions continue to unfold, many are asking, will justice and peace finally move forward, or are we witnessing another cycle of crisis? What do you think? Share your thoughts below and stay tuned for more verified updates, only on Naath Global News.
Welcome to the heart of Africa, where culture meets creativity.
Join us on Naath Global News, your ultimate channel for inspiring news and stories across the continent.
From the deep traditions of South Sudan and Ethiopia,
to the rhythm of African music, the power of sports, the rise of technology, and the beauty of our wildlife and nature, this is Africa Reimagined.
Share our stories. Keep Africa united through culture, knowledge, and pride.
Uniting Africa through stories and culture.
Subscribe now to Naath Global News. Share Africa's culture with the world.